This is Brandon with Kingdom Creations, and in this tutorial video I'm going to give you a walkthrough of your website for Redeeming Love Fellowship. So this is the homepage found at rlfchurch.org, and as we scroll down the homepage, what we're going to find is that we've got some quick links here that take us to the upcoming women's conference. We can scroll down, and what we find is that we've got our mission statement: connect, transform, empower, serve, making the impossible possible. Below that, a link to our latest messages. Below that, upcoming events at RLF. We've got featured right now the women's conference. Also on there is an opportunity to sign up for the digital bulletin. Continuing down, we've got just a statement: discover a church that is helping people experience the power of Christ's transforming love. That's a full screen section with a nice faded background there. Below that, we've got the latest blogs, and these update automatically as new blog posts are added. And then we've got some contact information. As we go through the site, across the top, we've got this menu that as we scroll down, it shrinks and it also becomes a little transparent. Under the About Us menu, we've got our leadership, where we'll see, pictures of our elder team, as well as some biographies. At the bottom of every page, there's a section that, shows just some other things as well. We've got this one just has this kind of mission statement here for the church and contact information that's easily customizable. We can put blog entries down here or upcoming events to display throughout the site as well. We got our beliefs section, just the tenets of faith. Below that, latest messages, and then the same type of thing as the page before. History takes us through the history of Redeeming Love. It's got some pictures. These can easily be updated to new pictures as well. Under the Connect section, we have our groups page that showcases all of the different groups that take place at Redeeming Love. Also the events calendar. And so we simply show a Google Calendar here. Below that is the upcoming events kind of module that is displayed on other pages. So you can see that here as well. And then latest messages, etc. Also on there, prayer requests. People have an opportunity to actually submit a prayer request that would be sent to Pastor Woodley. And also the giving link. And so that's going to take you right to your giving page. The outreach page showcases kind of some of the areas that you guys support through missions. Got local and global on here. The resources page, or pages. The first one is the sermon catalog. And currently, so right now the way this works, we can listen to the latest message or we can search by series. As we go down, a lot of these messages are labeled by date. I would highly recommend that we label these by title. Makes it a lot easier to search and also to add imagery to those sermons. This is a full catalog, so we can go back. I think it goes back about a year, and as you continue on, it'll continue updating, obviously. As we add series, those will be displayed here under the series listings from Redeeming Love. And so that's the sermons, and I'll just show you an actual example of a sermon as well. So this is one from the core values. This is a core values sermon. So below the sermon audio, if we click the audio, it'll actually load up. Below that, we've got the speaker bio, and then some latest sermons below that. Now, as these actually have images with them, you'll see the image here as opposed to text under the latest sermon section. To the right of that, we have our, search our media, recent sermon, sermon series, and sermon tags. And so that's all on each sermon page. We also have the Read a Bible, which will bring you to a new tab, which allows you to, go to the U version and start reading here. Pastor blogs. We have the Pastor Blogs page that, as you know, as these are written, they automatically show up on here with the images, etc. And so you see we've got some of the older blog entries, and then we've also got topics over here as well. And then we have the bulletin page that allows people to subscribe to the digital bulletin. You can also view the latest digital bulletin, and so we could look at the one from this past week, and we will see it in all of its glory here as a web page. The last section is the Contact Us section, and so when I click that, this would actually bring up an email to be sent to the office. So that's just a simple overview of this website. In the next tutorials, I'm going to show you how to add content and make changes to your website. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, please contact me at brandon.pitts@kingdomcreations.info. Thank you.